Alright, Troy's going to attempt to shoot a star target, 200 yards. And we've got a little 12-ounce bottle of pop sitting on top of it. It's using a 22-250. Alright, Troy, whenever you're ready, squeeze. Must hit the mud in front of it. I didn't see no water splash or anything. Try her again. Maybe hold just a tish higher than that last shot you took.
Okay.
You're dead on, you just missed left. Hold for a little bit of wind. Just a couple inches to the right.
Okay.
Nice!
Cool, Troy.
That was pretty cool. By the way, Troy is only 10 years old, too. That was a 1-pound target by Star Targets. Be other videos coming in the future from BETZ's GUNWORKS.